Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the Visa IS 5 question. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the Government of India Act of 1919, and the first statement regarding it is as it introduced the concept of diarchy at the provincial level only. Second, the provincial legislative council were expanded with the majority of them being elected member. First time. Number third, bicameral legislature was introduced at the central level. What do you mean by the bicameral legislature? There is a Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in 1919 first time as per the Government of India Act of 1919. And what do you mean by the diarchy? Diarchy is nothing but a type of a subject that are part where the diarchy two type of categorization is made. One for the central, you can say the council of governor, and second is for the provincial government there. Number third, जो ये है provincial legislative council were expanded with the majority of them being elected member first time. तो ये आपका statement है. First, second, first, second, third. These are the option. I again repeat the question. Government of India Act of 1919, it introduced the concept of diarchy at the provincial level. Second, provincial legislative council were expanded with the majority of them being elected member. Bicameral legislature was introduced at the central level. And option are these. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the JPSC. That is related to the Joint State Public Service Commission. You know very well there is UPSC, SPSC and JPSC. Okay. Let's see the first statement regarding it. It is created by an act of the parliament. First thing is that. Second, the number of members of JPSC and their condition of service are determined by the parliament. Number third, JSPSC, Joint Service Public Service Commission, presents its annual performance report to the parliament. And option are these. First, second, third, first, second, third. Again, repeat the question is very good. Joint State Public Service Commission, it is created by the act of parliament. Second, the number of members of JPSC and their conditions of service are determined by the parliament. A JSPSC presents its annual report to the parliament through whom? Governor, president, or through directly by parliament. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the RBI regarding the Reserve Bank of India. First statement is that the union government has no power to supersede the central bank of director of RBI. अगर RBI कुछ भी फैसला करता है क्या यूनियन गवर्नमेंट के पास पावर नहीं है कि उस फैसले को बदला जा सके और नहीं. The responsibility of circulation of both the bank note and coins is entrusted with the RBI. So there is a responsibility of RBI that bank note, whatever the token currency that you are using and the note that you are carrying it out, and coins that are made by the finance ministry is the responsibility of the RBI. Is it? Number third, the union government can issue direction to RBI from time to time on ground of the public interest. So these are the third statement. Number fourth, the monetary policy committee has representation from both RBI and union government. And option are these. Let's see the next question. Okay, and you have to tell the note correct, right? I'm really sorry. Okay, which of the following statement is not correct regarding the RBI? First, the union government has no power to supersede the central bank of director of RBI. The responsibility for the circulation of both the banknote and coins is entrusted with the RBI. Number third, the union government can issue direction to RBI from time to time on public interest. Number four, the monetary policy committee has representation from both RBI and union government. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the geography. So they are asking about at the given point in time, two people are standing on the 60th parallel in each hemisphere. So you know very well there is the equator and there is 0 degree, there is a 30 degree and then 60 degree and then 60 or 66.5 degree से हमारा पूरा साउथ पोल आर्टिक एंड साउथ में अंटार्कटिका स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो देन ओशियन बेसिकली. ओके, 60th parallel in each hemisphere facing each other towards the equator. तो दोनों के दोनों बंदे जो है इक्वेटर की तरफ फेस कर रहे हैं. each of the following will be experienced different by them. तो अगर कोई बंदा मान ले, देखो 60 डिग्री 0 है, यहाँ पे 60 है, यहाँ पे भी 60 है. मान लीजिए आई एम स्टैंडिंग हेयर एंड यू आर स्टैंडिंग हेयर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंडीशन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विल बी एक्सपेक्ट डिफरेंटली. कौन सी जो चीज़ दे रखी है गिवन वो अलग होगी 60 डिग्री नॉर्थ में, 60 डिग्री साउथ में. नंबर फर्स्ट, क्या सीजन अलग होगा? क्या डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्लानिटरी विंड हेयर इज डिफरेंट? या फिर इंक्लिनेशन ऑफ सन रेज इज डिफरेंट हेयर एंड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ कोरियोलिस फोर्स इज डिफरेंट. एंड ऑप्शन आर दीज. फर्स्ट फोर्थ, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ. आई थिंक देर इज अ tricky question and analytical question as well. At a given point of time, two people are standing on the 60th parallel in each hemisphere facing each other toward the north. Which of the following will be experienced different by them? First is season, direction of planetary wind, inclination of a sun's rays and strength of Coriolis forces. I think this is a very tricky question. Let's see the next question. Okay, Next question is related to the PM Savanidhi scheme. What is its aim? Number first, their aim is to connecting venture capital and angel investor with startup founder. Number second, providing loans for the skill training to rural graduate. Number third, extending credit to the street vendor. या फिर none. I can't repeat the question because this scheme is very much in the news. Number first, it said like the connecting venture capitalist and angel investor with the startup founder. Second is the providing loans for the skill training to rural graduate. Number third, extending credit to street vendor, and fourth is none. Let's see the answer to the first question. First question, if you are talking about the Government of India Act of 1919, so which of the following are correct? So all are correct. It introduces the concept directly at the provincial level because there is a reserved and transfer subject for the people of the provincial government and reserved subject for the council or the governor council. Second, provincial legislature make council were expanded with the majority of them being, तो ये पहली बार हुआ था कि provincial legislative elected member पहली बार सबसे ज़्यादा हुए थे. Third, if you are talking about the bicameral legislature was introduced at the central level, that is also the correct here. The Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha come into the picture, but name is different as usual. Let's see the statement first. The Government of India Act of 1919 introduced hierarchy in the provincial according to which the subject were divided as reserved and transfer subject. As already talked about, the administration of the transfer subject list was entrusted to the popular minister there and reserved for the that included agriculture, supervision of the local government, hospital and education. Reserved subject if you are talking about the executive council, which includes the police, finance and land revenue, law and order situation. Okay, that is the case with the reserve subject. Second, if you are talking about the provincial legislative council were further expanded, 70% of the member were to be elected. So first time ऐसा हुआ था. Number third, if you are talking about the Government of India Act of 19 introduced the bicameral legislature at the center in place at the Imperial Council of consisting of one house, is the lower house or the central legislative assembly would consist of the 144 member, 41 nominated, 103 elected, 52 general, 30 Muslim, 2 6 20 special and the upper house. तो आप ये देख सकते हैं, not so quite important. Let's see the next question. Next question, okay, answer the second question. With reference to the Joint State Public Service Commission, which of the following is correct? It is created by an act of parliament. That is absolutely correct. So first only correct. Second, the number of members of JPSC and their conditions are determined by parliament. No, not with the case. It is the determined by the president. And जो annual report भी जो है parliament नहीं president show करता है. तो first यहाँ पे सही है. Constitution make a provision for the establishment of Joint State Public Service Commission, for two or more state, while the UPSC and SPSC are created directly by the Constitution. तो ये एक statutory commission है. I think 1966 में सबसे पहले हरियाणा एंड पंजाब गवर्नमेंट ने इसका यूज़ किया था. और ये तभी बनता है जब 2 और 3 स्टेट के गवर्नर जाते हैं पार्लियामेंट के पास एंड देन दे मेड द स्टैट्यूटरी प्रोविजन, बट द पावर इंटाइटल्ड टू द प्रेसिडेंट इटसेल्फ इन द स्टैट्यूटरी मेकअप. JSP is a statutory and not a constitutional body. The first is correct. Chairman and the member of JSP is appointed by the president. I already talked about they hold office for the term for 6 years. Do remember this fact. They hold office for the 6 year, not for the 5 year or 62 year of age. विच एवर इज़ अर्लियर एंड 62, क्योंकि जो 65 है यूपीएससी के मेंबर के लिए है, 62 जो ज़्यादातर स्टेट के लिए होती है. दे कैन बी सस्पेंडेड और रिमूव बाय द प्रेसिडेंट. दे कैन ऑल्सो रिजाइन फ्रॉम देयर ऑफिस एट एनी टाइम बाय सबमिटिंग द रेजिग्नेशन टू द प्रेसिडेंट. जो सिलेक्ट करता है, जो अपॉइंट करता है, जो इलेक्ट करता है, वही इनको हटाता भी है. द नंबर ऑफ द JPSC एंड द कंडीशन ऑफ सर्विस आर डिटरमाइंड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट. सो सेकंड इज नॉट करेक्ट. JPSC प्रेजेंट इट्स एनुअल परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट टू द कंसर्न स्टेट गवर्नर ऑल्सो, एंड each governor plays this report to the state legislature. Okay, let's see the next question. RBI, if you are talking about which of the following is not correct? The union government has no power to supersede the central board of director of RBI. That is incorrect. The responsibility for the circulation of both the bank note and coins is entrusted with the RBI. Yes, that is correct, because you can be confused here. The coins has made by the finance secretary, but it is circulated by the RBI itself. The union government can issue direction from RBI from time to time in ground of public, and that is correct. And section 7 is invoked by the government of India. And the Government of India Act of 1935, they are the related provisions that are given in this act itself. Monetary Policy Committee has representative from the RBI and the union government. That is correct also. The government has the power to supersede the Central Bank of Director of Reserve Bank of India. It can be superseded the Central Board. In its opinion, the Central Board has failed to carry out any of the obligation that are imposed by the RBI Act of 1934. The RBI has also sole right to issue bank note. The minting of the coins fall under the executive domain of the government and the Coinage Act of 2011. However, the responsibility for the circulation for both bank note, whether it be the coin or bank note, is entrusted with the RBI itself. Government can issue direction for RBI from time to time only in ground of public interest itself. As per section of the RBI Act of 1934, I am really sorry I am said like 1935, but it is the Act of 1934. The government can from time to time give such direction to the RBI that may, after consultation with the governor of the bank, बात करते हैं एमपीसी की है, तो इनमें दोनों के दोनों मेंबर होते हैं, दोनों से मेंबर होते हैं आरबीआई ऑल्सो एंड एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यूनियन गवर्नमेंट. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. At a given point of time, two people are standing on the 60th parallel in each hemisphere facing each other toward the equator. Which of the following will be experienced differently by them? First is the season. सीजन भी डिफरेंट होगा, डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्लानिटरी विंड डिफरेंट होगी, इंक्लिनेशन ऑफ सन डेज दैट इज बेसिकली डिफरेंट, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ पोलर वर्ड दैट इज नॉट correct. Let's see the thing. Earth is split among two lines, the equator running east west and the prime meridian running north south into hemisphere. While each hemisphere as these equator of the earth are called is distant from the poles, the north south division caused by the equator denotes a particular shift in terms of the environment, geography and human culture because of the north south division caused by the equator. So summer and winter season differ because between the two hemispheres, resulting in vastly different temperature at the same time of year between the south and the north location. In the northern hemisphere, summer takes place from the summer solstice from 21 June until the autumn equinox, that is September 21. Winter meanwhile takes place from the winter solstice until the vernal equinox. बट यही डिफरेंस जो है कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है इन द केस ऑफ द सदर्न हेमिस्फेयर, और जो भी बंदा साउथ के हेमिस्फेयर पे खड़ा होगा. एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ कोरिलेसिस फोर्स इज सेम बिकॉज दैट आर डिपेंडेंट अपॉन द rotation of the earth, not from the position of the earth. Let's see the next question. The recently launched PM73 scheme is related the extend credit to street vendor. So यहाँ पे C यहाँ पे correct हो जाए. The PM street vendor आत्मनिर्भर निधि scheme which was launched in June and the pandemic is a macro credit facility that provides street vendor a collateral free loan of rupees to 10,000 with the low rate of interest for a period of 1 year. The COVID-19 pandemic and the nationwide lockdown left daily wage worker and street vendor out of work. The scheme aims at aiding the vendor at getting his back on their feet financially. In the long term, it aims to establish credit score for the vendor as well as the creating a digital record of the socio-economic status so that they can avail the central government scheme later. The scheme also attempts to formalize the informal sector. That is the main aim of these schemes. That is the PM Samriddhi scheme. Let's see the next question. Okay, not the next question, but a major plateau of the world, that is quite important. Asia Minor and Anatolia, do remember this fact because it is in news because of the Salda lake that are found in Turkey that are found in this plateau itself, where the Salda is जो नासा ने क्या है परसिवरेंस जो रोवर भेजा है वो जहाँ पे उतरा है उसकी जो लोकेशन है मार्स पे जहाँ पे वो उतरा है तो उसकी जो लोकेशन है साल्डा लेक से काफ़ी मिलती जुलती है. नेक्स्ट इज द मिस्ता. मिस्ता इज आइबेरियन पेनिनसुला ऑफ स्पेन, अलास्का यू नो वेरी वेल यूएसए विदाउट एनी रीजन, ग्रेट बेसिन ऑल्सो यूएसए, ग्रीनलैंड आइलैंड एट द पार्ट ऑफ डेनमार्क, एंटोलिया अगेन टर्की, ये जो है एशिया माइनर एंटोलिया सेम ही है क्या. चियाप्स दैट इज फाउंड इन साउथ अफ्रीका, sorry South Mexico, I'm really sorry, Colombia and USA, Colorado USA, Tibetan Plateau that is found in Tibet. Let's see the passes. Do you remember this all passes? For example, Karakoram Pass found in Jammu and Kashmir, Zojila Ladakh, Pir Panjal Jammu and Kashmir, Banihal Pass Jammu and Kashmir, Burzil Jammu and Kashmir, Shipkala Himachal Pradesh, Rohtang Pass again Himachal Pradesh, Baralachala Himachal Pradesh, Lipu Lake Uttarakhand, Mana Uttarakhand, Niti अगेन उत्तराखंड, नथुला सिक्किम, जलेपला इन सिक्किम, बोमडिया अरुणाचल प्रदेश, यंगयाप अरुणाचल प्रदेश, दीपू डेट आर फाउंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश, टुजू इन मणिपुर. ये जो है इंपॉर्टेंट पासेज डेट आर गिवन. लेट्स सी अबाउट द नॉन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बॉडी टुडे. Today we are discussing about the National Human Rights Commission. Chairman found 5 other chairmen, 7 other ex-officio member there. President is appointment is done by the president and the selection panel is the Prime Minister, Speaker, Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Leader of Opposition of Lok Sabha and Home Minister. 6 बंदे होते हैं यहाँ पे. 3 year 70 years की एज होती है. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की टर्म एंड कंडीशन जो है स्पेसिफाई करती है. रिमूवल इज डन बाय द प्रेसिडेंट एज इट सेलेक्टेड और नॉमिनेटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट सेल्फ. और जो रिपोर्ट सबमिशन, डू रिमेंबर दिस फैक्ट दैट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इसकी जो रिपोर्ट है वो सबमिट करती है और रीअपॉइंटमेंट के लिए एलिजिबल होते हैं. CIC CIC नॉट मोर देन 10 मेंबर, प्रेसिडेंट इज अपॉइंटेड, PM लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन, मिनिस्टर any that are appointed by the Prime Minister is found there. Basically this is the cabinet minister. Term and condition 3 year or 65 whatever be the earlier. State Information Commission also the same condition but their age is same here and their service condition determined by the central government. Removal is done by the president and governor respectively. Report submission central and state government. Reappointment not eligible again but in NHRC they are eligible. They have power of the civil court. If you are talking about CVC, that are the alternative UPSC, but UPSC is the constitutional and the contentious position that are found. CVC की बात करें, not more than 2 member, president is appointed, PM leader of opposition, home minister are found, 4 year or 65 years their age, similar to UPSC the term and condition. And term and condition की बात कर ले रहे, रिमूवल जो है president करता है. सर्विस कंडीशन यहाँ पे भी CVC में प्रेसिडेंट ही देखते हैं. और रिपोर्ट सबमिशन जो है प्रेसिडेंट को दी जाती है, जैसे हम यूपीएससी में देखते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज द यूपीएससी अपॉइंटमेंट नॉट एलिजिबल एंड दे एंजॉय द पावर द सिविल बाय